You're being so helpful. Are you shoveling?
Yes.
Was there a lot of snow or a little bit of snow? A lot. A big pile of it?
Yeah.
I liked watching you shovel from over there. No. Sure.
There's no things I can do. Can I climb up?
You can try. It might be a little difficult because it's so high.
So high.
It's taller than you.
I have an idea. You can walk as a duck can make a hole. I dug to my fingers and made a hole.
You made a hole. Kalino, do you see where Nona's car is? Is it stuck?
No.
It's stuck. It's not going anywhere.
That's why I'm not going anywhere. I don't have school.
Yeah, there's no school. There's not going to probably be school tomorrow either.
Oh, or a stick.
Yeah, it's a stick. We have to keep it there because that lets the plow guy know where the perimeter of our property is that he has to just plow.
What plow?
When he came today, remember when he got stuck for 2 hours?
Stuck for 2 hours. What? It's covered.
Yeah, it is.
The wipers are not up. The wipers are not down.
Yeah.
Can they cut?
Kalino, can you say, I love snow? Maybe not so much. I love you, Kalino.
Cold.
Yeah, snow is cold.
Can you warm it up?
I'll warm it up. Aww. My kisses can warm up your mouth. Okay. We got to be careful not to make a mess on where we need to drive. Kalino, turn around. Turn around so I can see you.
Ouch, my face.
Say I love you.
Warm.
Warm? Oh, you're trying to get warm on me. I love you.